Welcome back to the... Oh, this chair is gonna drive me crazy. I'm gonna lose my mind before this video is done. Okay, I'm gonna sit very still. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do. First of all, I'm glowing like the sun itself. And I can't express my excitement about it because it's too much. I'm so happy. And the only reason I am glowing like the sun itself is because of this little box right here. That's what we're doing today. I'm unboxing the OFRA Cosmetics Mystery box. It makes me so excited. It's really hard not to shake the box. I got the medium-sized box. The owner of OFRA Cosmetics in South Africa was kind enough to meet up with me for coffee. She's a remarkable woman. She does amazing work, and honestly can't wait for you guys to see what's in this box because I think it's one of the best ideas. As I said, these boxes come in 3 sizes. You get the small, medium and large. I believe the small box the small box has 5 products, the medium box has 7 products, the large box has 10 products inside. Guys, how could you not want this? Like, I get so excited. I have some, as you can see, I already attacked the highlighter. I couldn't help it, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna unbox this for you and show you a few swatches. Remember, I've already opened this, so some of the products are already touched. Okay, I actually touched all of them because it's by Moy. Okay, so first thing is you open this box. It has a little thing that says pool. The box, it says, thank you for shopping with OFRA. And then there's a little pamphlet inside that has all the information to the new Glow Up highlighter palette. That as well, investment. I'm gonna get that for my kit next. I'm just gonna jump to my favorite one, and that is obviously the highlighter. Oh my goodness. So the highlighter I got in my box is called Blissful. One I'm wearing right now. How pretty is that? That's gorgeous.
What we do here is go.
This is a full-size product. It is 10 grams. It just is not in the insert, which I kind of prefer because I would have popped it out and put it in my Z palette or in a bigger palette anyway. So that's my first product. The product is a bronzer blush called Format. This one comes in a compact. This is a really nice shade. That's 2 products as far. Third one is an eyeshadow palette. This one is the signature eyeshadow palette, Irresistible Smoky Eyes. It's like a matte black, a shimmery grey, a light grey, a brown and a nude. It's a really nice smoky eye palette, and it has a mirror. Nice compact, so you can keep this in your purse, wallet, nice to travel with. Fourth one is a blush, compact blush. And this is really cute. I didn't know about it, but if you open the blush, I'm showing you on the white wall. If you open the blush, it lifts up and there's actually a little mirror inside as well, which is really convenient, especially if you're traveling. This blush shade is that. It's a really nice, soft, natural shade. It's gonna be really nice for bridal and just everyday makeup applications. Fifth product is it is called a Derma Mineral Loose Eyeshadow, and it is in Shiny Penny. I am gonna be kind of want to do like a special effects creative look with this because it's really pretty. It's like a ooh. It's on my white shirt. Whoopsie. 6 and 7 are 2 liquid lipsticks, and they are in the new packaging. They are gorgeous. So this one is called Dubai and this one is called Hollywood. I will swatch these 2 for you. I'm gonna do a big swatch, eh? So this is Dubai. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like ice cream. And don't tell me you smelled it and it doesn't smell like ice cream. To me, it smells like ice cream. Oh, and then this pink is called Hollywood. This pink actually really reminds me of the MAC lipstick Candy Yum Yum, but it's slightly less, it has slightly less of a white like pastel undertone, which is really nice. We'll be doing a follow-up video of this one. This was just the unboxing. I'm going to do another video where I do my makeup using the products that I got in the box. I can't wait to use that copper tone pigment on my eyes. Because you guys know, favorite color is orange. Orange. Always orange. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolute blessed day. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, possibly. Thank you so much for watching once again. Hope you have a blessed day. See you on the next video. Have a little... Papa, wat? Kan jy daai deur toemaak asseblief? Kan jy die deur toemaak asseblief?